Good afternoon. Hey, Dave here. How's everybody on YouTube doing? Hope you're doing well. Today is Easter Sunday. I had the opportunity to come by my brother-in-law's home and celebrate Easter. As it is actually a celebration that's done worldwide. I came by and we pretty much just had a good get together. I lowered down the volume. You wouldn't be able to hear them in the background for the simple reason that there was music being played in the background, and I always get a strike from YouTube when music is being played in the background. So to avoid any more strikes, I just went ahead and just do a voiceover. Pretty much, you can control the video while I control the audio. In there was most of my sister's kids and my brother's kids were in there, and my mother right there that was sitting next to me. We had very good food serving there. I ate pretty well there. And although this was just a short video, since the fact that 360 video takes a long time to upload to YouTube, but this is just a short video of us getting together as a family and just having a good time. I want to wish you all and the whole world a happy Easter. I hope you're passing it safe with your family. And until the next time, God bless.